If YouTube videos just won't play on your iPhone, whether they're stuck loading, show an error, or the screen goes black, here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix it easily. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. A weak connection is often the main reason videos won't play. Next, close and restart the YouTube app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and clear all background apps. Then, open YouTube again. After that, update the YouTube app. Go to the App Store and search for YouTube. If you see an update button, tap on it to install the latest version. Then, restart your iPhone. A quick reboot helps clear temporary glitches that might be stopping videos from playing. Now, clear Safari's cache and browsing data. For that, open your Settings app and scroll all the way down, then tap on Apps. After that, scroll again and tap on Safari. Here, search and tap on Clear History and Website Data, then Confirm. Afterwards, check if you're using a VPN or ad blocker. If yes, try turning them off as they can sometimes block video content from loading properly. Finally, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. Tap and hold the YouTube app icon, then tap on Remove App. After that, go to the App Store, search for YouTube and reinstall it fresh. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.